What's up, Stuff Zone? This video is going to be for all the people who cut their hair themselves. If you give yourself a shape up and if you just, want to manage it yourself and not pay the barber, I highly recommend that you get one of these. Okay? This is made by Wall. When I got it, it was about 75 bucks, give or take, depending on where. It's been a while, so they're probably a little bit more expensive right now at this point. But let me tell you, they're worth every penny. And I've gone through a bunch of these, and they are not all created equal in terms of like different brands. I mean, this is actually my second one of this, and they've always been, both of them have been absolutely amazing. But you get what you pay for. You can go to the store and buy a clipper set for like 30 bucks, but it's not going to be sharp. It's not going to be good. It's going to cut weak. And this cuts, first of all, it's pretty wide. So like the circumference area is nice, and it allows you to draw lines, sharp lines, good edges, and it stays sharp. It's not sharp to the touch. I know you can actually like kind of move up the blade and make it sharper, but it feels good. Like it's not going to hurt you. It's definitely not going to draw blood, but it cuts great. And I think the secret is in the lower blade that actually does the motion. That's what needs to stay sharp. And I guess you could take off the screws if you really wanted to, if it started to get dull, and you could like maybe go with a file and make it sharper, but be careful. I'm just saying, like, this is my second one because the first one got dull after many years. But now this is a great clipper set. As you can see, it comes with some guards. You have the half. I usually use this on my beard and mustache, just when I want to keep it low. One, I use this on my eyebrows. Secret tip, if you guys have bushy eyebrows, reel that shit in. This is the way to go. Number one, and then this is 1.5, which is a little bit longer. I don't really mess with this stylistically right now in terms of what I'm going for. And then you can also cut just straight on the skin. These guards are great for other body parts as well, if you know what I mean. It's just a really, really great razor, electric razor. Like I've said, I've tried many, and this is by far my favorite. This is a professional model. Like when you go to the barbershop, you'll see that the barbers, they all have models that are similar to this. Like this is kind of like, I don't know, barbers, if you're watching this, comment below. Weigh in on this. What do you think about this? Have you used this before? Let the people know. But I think this is one of the best. This is definitely like a professional tool. To clean it, I just kind of like shake the hair. I put it on its side. Sometimes the hair will fall out. Sometimes I'll like go like this and put it down. As you can see, little hairs are coming out. You can also oil up the blade. It comes with like some special oil. Basically, just use any oil that's not too thick. Like you don't want to use olive oil, probably not, but any like very, very light oil, any kind of like instrument oil will do the trick. And probably oil your blade after you're done your session, because if you oil the blade before, then it's going to cause the hairs to stick because the device is wet. So you don't want to oil it and then, or I don't know. I've done it both ways before. It's fine. Just as long as you go like this and get the hairs out, it should be cool. So I'm trying to think what else I can say about this. I think that's it for now. Yeah, comment below. Let me know what you think about this, if you've tried it before or what your favorite is. Subscribe to the channel. We're trying to step up our game here, using different B-roll, better thumbnails. Tell a friend, give this video a like, especially if you're still watching it to the end. I mean, you've watched this far. Thank you so much for the support, and check out some other ones. I talk about lots of cool shit. All right, peace.